Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the seventh question in exercise 4.2. If A is a square matrix of order 3 and determinant of A is equal to minus 2, then find the value of determinant of minus 5A. So determinant of minus 5A is minus 5 to the power n into determinant A, where n is going to be the order of this particular matrix. So we know the order is equal to 3. So let's write this down. So minus 5 the whole cube into determinant of A is already given to be minus 2. So now let's see this. Minus 5 the whole cube is minus 125 into determinant of A is minus 2. So minus 125 into minus 2. So the answer is 250. So the determinant of minus 5a's value is 250. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 8th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.